मैंने उनसे पकड़ लीजिए, बच्चा कहाँ पे है?
Good evening, sir. Myself Laksh Bhaskar from class 8, representing the coaching career point as well as the school, St. Aloysius Convent High School. I have passed out 7th and 6th standard with A plus graded, and I have achieved this year NSO gold medal. I qualified for second round as well as I qualified for Bhumi Baba also. I have many achievements in sports like skating and athletics.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
Notes.
Physics, maths,
Maths, chemistry,
maths,
biology.
bio.
Laksh. Why do we need to conserve plants and animals, and what are the method of conservation?
So because plants and animals are a part of atmosphere and we need oxygen from plants and as well as animals, they are part of a food chain which is offered in our daily life. Because in food chain uh, we need energy because we get the energy from the food chain and it is maintaining the trophic level of the food chains. As we have to conserve the biodiversity, we need to be users of less natural resources as well.
What is ecosystem?
So it is a interaction between abiotic and biotic components.
How many types of ecosystem are there?
There are three types of ecosystem: aquatic ecosystem, terrestrial ecosystem, desert ecosystem, and man-made ecosystem. Sorry, four ecosystem.
How many plants are cut to get how much paper?
Sir, can you repeat? Can you repeat?
How many plants have to cut for how much paper?
Sir, one ton of one plant can give 1 ton of papers.
One plant.
No, sir. Say up to 15 or
Okay. That's
What is spring force?
repeat, sir.
What is spring force?
So spring force is a force which is uh, exerted by stream when it is relaxed or compressed. It occurs in the opposite direction of the motion.
Okay, what is pressure of the liquid?
So liquid. So it is also known as fluid 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 force, and also known as buoyant force. When we push an object inside the liquid, it pushes upside. Equals to means it opposes the force.
Okay. What is pole of the mirror?
All of the side between the focus and the center.
What is the pole of the mirror?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
what is negative charge, beta?
A body having excess of electrons,
Okay, as compared to
proton,
प्रोटॉन. ओके, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है?
CaCO3,
एंड उसका मॉलिक्यूलर मास बता पाओगे CH3 का?
100 mu.
क्या बात है. अच्छा, AMU और ग्राम में क्या डिफरेंस है? जैसे मैंने बोला कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट अगर ग्राम में है ना, 100 ग्राम कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट दे रखा है और 100 AMU कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट दे रखा है, दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है बेटा?
सर AMU मतलब एटॉमिक मास यूनिट है और ग्राम्स मतलब वो एक फिजिकल क्वांटिटी है. तो
नहीं तो क्या मीनिंग क्या होगा उसका बता पाओगे आप? मतलब कितने एटम को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है CH3?
100 mu मतलब
100 AMU का मतलब हो गया
100
वो कितने एटम का मास है? 100 AMU कितने मॉलिक्यूल का मास है?
3 CaCO3.
मतलब 100 ग्राम अगर बोला है कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, इसका मतलब 1 मोल ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट बोला गया ना.
हाँ.
इसका मतलब इनडायरेक्टली क्या है? 1 मोल ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट बोला गया.
हाँ.
अच्छा, इसमें दिख रहा है सिर्फ सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम आपने पूरा पढ़ा है इसके अंदर, है ना? सिर्फ सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम दिख रहा है इसके अंदर, तो उससे पूछूं मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन, चलेगा?
ओके सर.
तो जरा बताएंगे वॉल्यूम ऑफ कौन, बता दो बेटा.
So this year cone was not there.
हम्म
Cone was not there. Cuboid and cube was there.
What is cuboid? Volume of cuboid. What is the volume of cuboid?
6L.
Volume of cuboid.
Don't get nervous.
Volume of cuboid. तुमने जो बोला मैं वही पूछ रहा हूँ. Volume of cuboid.
Relax. परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं.
6L square.
No यार. And अच्छा, what is the volume of cube?
6L square.
अच्छा ठीक है. जनरल नॉलेज पे आते हैं. बताइए भुसावल का सबसे फेमस चीज क्या क्या है?
Sir, railway station.
हम्म.
The railway bridges.
और
National highway.
भुसावल को इंडिया के मैप में किस तरह रिप्रेजेंट किया गया है? ऐसी क्या क्या चीजें हैं जो भुसावल को एक अलग तरह से रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है भुसावल में?
So Bhusawal is seen as a red zone of in Maharashtra, India,
रेड जोन.
because sir, Bhusawal containing railway station as well as ordnance factory.
हाउ मेनी ऑर्डर्स फैक्ट्री इन भुसावल?
So one and one in Warangal.
तो वरनगांव भुसावल में आएगा.
No, sir.
तो
Sir, it is different from Bhusawal.
ओके. एंड
And sir, Deepnagar also there is an electrical thermal plant.
Thermal plant,
It is
yes.
al- It is also red zone area. Causing.
ओके बेटा, ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thank you.